Okay, so inside the door of reception we have the control pad, which you can use for the admin room out here, and for the rec room down the back. The volume dial is self-explanatory, and click that to control that zone, or that to control the back zone, so we can adjust the volume back there if that one's selected, and the volume out here if this one's selected. And we'll just show you the speaker install. We have first speaker up here, and the second speaker there. And then in the dining room we have 6 speakers in here on a separate control pad, which I'll show you a separate video of. And the rec room has the 2 speakers installed with its own control pad, which I'll show you in a second. So we've got the one speaker here, and then the other one over here, and then the control pad is just inside here. And same story, to do the rec room, use this volume, and you can do the admin volume here as well. So that's the basic system.